You got another shoe? Let me see. Where's your other shoe? Yeah, you got one of yours and one of brother's. Yeah, go get that other one. Yeah, come on, bring me your other shoe. Uh-oh, now you still got one of yours and one of brother's. Yeah, get two that match. What are you doing? What are you doing? Me see. Oh, got the Sue? Bring him here. Grandma help you. Grandma help you. Nathan, come bring me your shoe. Oh, there, Jacob's got one. He says, I got one shoe. I got one shoe. Grandma, help me. Well, he keeps picking up one. I said, no, one's the wrong one, so he went and got two of the other ones, same thing. You like that? Is that a shoe? Say shoe. Shoe? Yeah. Good job. Good job. Here it comes. Can you get up in the chair? Well, that wasn't much lunch. Okay. Jacob, want to say bye-bye? Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.